Hey guys, this is Josh with One Acre Fam. Welcome back. So today we're going to compare the Valor triple axle fifth wheel and the Momentum triple axle fifth wheel. So let's go. Let's get it on.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make
Hey everybody, so happy that you're with us. Today we're at South Haven RV with Derek, and he's going to show us today, like I said, the Alliance Valor and the Grand Design Momentum. So thanks for showing us today, bud.
Absolutely.
So we're going to start off with the Alliance.
We're going to start off with the Alliance Valor. Yep. It's
Awesome.
actually one of the newest and hottest products out on the market.
Awesome.
Believe it or not, this unit here is our newest 2021. It's a 41V15. Believe it or not, the 15 stands in the back for the size of the garage.
Okay.
That's how you
Awesome.
designate it. Overall, length on this is around 44 foot total. It's actually one of the best boondocking coaches out there, believe it or not, because it has a lot of 12-volt system with the solar system on top of it for panels and batteries just as well.
Very nice.
Kind of give you an idea of a quick walk around on the outside. This is actually designed with an Aztec wall. It's a composite material designed, a lot of Class C's use this. It's a lot of strings with the inner tube of aluminum framing all the way through. Our coaches today, what I have in stock actually has the generator on the Valor, where today this is going to be a little bit hard to get on some of the newer stuff due to the shortage out here. But it's designed with the ONAN. It's an LP generator 5500. It's going to run the 3 ACs this has on top of it, and the coach completely all the way through. We also have a 6-point level up system all the way around. It's one touch. Once you bring down the landing gear, you can hit auto level to dance around like a motorhome, set itself up for you. Easy to do. One-piece fiberglass cap. Again, construction-wise, it's got the Rotaflex. This actually has two 30-pound bottles, one on each side. One on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Easy with the actual regulator just as well. Side here is your level up system, which is about locked. So take that out.
So all your handles are right there?
All your easy pulls, everything, the easy
that's
access.
awesome.
Just like I said, this is a true 4-season unit. It's made to live in. I mean, this is a nice product all the way around. All your controls are here for winterizing the unit when not in use, or a tank flush just as well if you have something, you know, blocking your clean-out system. Electrical outlets, satellite features, just as well as the outdoor shower, pass-through storage all the way through. It's got a 42,000 BTU furnace to feed the unit through the winter months to keep you heated, keep you nice and warm. 12-gallon hot water tank, gas, electric. You'll probably get approximately around 24 gallons on that in one shot.
Nice.
All the way through. They do, like I said, we got the G-rated tires just as well. This happens to be a triple axle. Dry weight on this guy is somewhere around 16,000 pounds dry.
Okay, nice.
Yes, highly rated. It's got the Morrite suspension on it just as well, so it's the 3300 Morrite suspension. So
very nice.
yeah, and I should have
That's the fuel.
this is the fuel station on here just as well. The gas, you got one tank for the generator or one for your toys, which that will feed either one.
Very nice.
Outdoor decking, this one has the outdoor patio system set on it when you're using it as a patio. Otherwise, you can just fold these to the side, and now it's your ramp door to load you into the system. Come on inside, guys. start here in the rear just a little bit.
Sounds good.
Got your 15-foot garage with the easy, this is the Happy Jack system here. This particular guy will actually come down. You can actually, yes, you can actually, be careful. You can actually make a 2 beds out of this, or when you can bring it down, it has 2 benches, then you have the portable table for seating. But this is 15 foot with the easy track system in it to load and lock your toys in for safety.
Very nice.
This is also equipped with a washer dryer prep in the rear just as well as the front. You do have your water systems here for a washer dryer stand up back here for a stackable, or if you want to do a 1-piece unit, it would be up front. This is also a bath and a half, guys. If you want to take a look around here, you got a half because you don't want to carry all the dirt into your coach. You get changed up, use the restroom just as well.
Awesome.
Okay. Back here in the back, these are the 3-season doors is what they're considered. You can close them. Got built-in screens so you can enjoy the airflow all the way through the coach itself.
Very nice.
Walk on deck. This will actually handle up to about 1,500 pounds when expanded like this, or 3,000 on the incline.
Oh wow, okay.
Yes, it's a whole difference. It's got a patio awning, which is powered back here just as well, so you can enjoy the shade if you want to sit out in a couple chairs here, enjoy the evening. Come on back through here, guys. This is an insulated garage. You will find no vents in the floors whatsoever. What they want to do is, this is done with a plywood decking floor all the way throughout the coach, so they don't want any vent holes in the floors to create a weak spot. So they put it inside your walls or inside your furniture wherever they can to keep it dust free just as well. You got a little patio loft above you for extra sleeping. This coach will sleep up to about 6 to 7 people easy with no problem. Adult size, of course, you got built-in recliners. The 2 end benches here actually are powered. Thank you.
Your demo guys for you right there.
My demos, right? And it's just easy recliner. It's good collection. You know, the Kingsley Furniture actually is a real good brand. It's a real upper grade material all the way through. Got your beautiful atrium windows just as well. The option in this particular unit is dual pane, not necessarily needed because of the insulation factor behind this coach. You also have a pull-up bar here with 2 chairs here for bar stools for extra dining if needed. Residential oven just as well as top as your 4-top master grill top. Microwave convection oven.
Oh yeah, convection's awesome.
Yes, they are. So you do have the double ovens. The nicest part about this particular unit is it is designed with the hardwood facing doors, but everything is on a soft touch closure just as well. So,
oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, all the way throughout. You have extra storage pantry. Got to have some space with the full-size residential refrigerator, as well as nice and cold just as well. We'll go up into the master bedroom here and bath just as well. This is the master bath. It's got your bench seating, 1-piece fiberglass surround shell here. You do have porcelain-based toilets like residential, so it's a lot stronger and a lot more
nice.
Yes, very well built. We do have the master queen in this particular model, which a king is the option in this particular coach. Again, you have tons of hidden storage, guys.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. Nice place to hide all your goodies.
Yeah.
For easy, safe, lots of storage. Like I said, wood frame boxes all the way through, plywood all the way through. Closet up front here, you do have the extra closet here that you can put a washer dryer just as well in here.
I think it's the first coach I've seen with an option of front and rear.
Yes, sir. Very nice. And then you got 2 hanging closets on the side just in case you take advantage of that.
Oh wow, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That is That's awesome. And you got all your plugs on the side right there too.
That is correct, yes sir. USB and a 110 on both sides, and then you do have storage up underneath the bed just as well with the board.
I'm not sure if I want to show my wife this coach.
Very nice. I'm telling you, this is an upcoming brand. It's well put together. We got a lot of good reviews on it, and they're a hot seller right now. Let's take a look at our next product, if you don't mind.
Let's go to the Momentum.
Sure. Guys, welcome to again back to South Haven here. Now we're over to our Grand Design, the 397. Okay, this is actually dry coaches around 16,000 pounds, 286 dry. It is a triple axle again. It's designed on 101 inches base. Has a 6-point level up system just as well. We do have a vacuum bonded wall. Again, this actually has the foam block wall put into their units. How Grand Design got so famous was they actually took their walls and they put them together in vacuum bond, all the glue, lay them down in the warehouse and let them cure before building the product like most brands. Turn around, they'll do a core sample before they build any of their products. You do have the outdoor entertainment just as well as outdoor speakers as well as the television. You do have the 6-point level up system again. All these frames are built by Lippert on both units. The actual coach overall on this one, lengthwise, you're sitting around 42 feet again. Roofing material on both units, you do have PVC on the Valor. You do have on this one is TPO. Okay. Both are designed. One is 18 years material, which is the PVC. This one here, they're commercial grade roofing. This has a life member of 15 years.
Gotcha.
So,
okay.
Come on in. Once again, guys, inside this coach here, you have a ton of storage, solid surface countertops. You have a 2-piece stainless steel unit here, designed like a farm seat with a little divider in it. Again, you can put benches around here for extra seating. You do have the full recliners, again, which are powered, and do have heat and massage built into them by Thomas Paine.
Elbow's working.
Don't need the heat right now, it's a little hot, but if you decide in this particular unit, this is an option, which is a fireplace. This can be used just for the lighting, or it will act as an electric heater just as well, blow out heat. And here you have extra storage just as well for the pantry, as well as the kitchen. Again, residential. 4-burner. Now they go strictly back to your microwave on this one.
Nice.
4-door refrigerator, residential again. Both are basically the same. Nice and cold. We got these lit up. Lots of storage.
That lock is really cool.
Yeah, to lock everything from phone going down the road. The flooring in this particular product is a 5/8 plywood decking under the laminate flooring on top of it. It is a solid sheet. Once again, no vent holes in the floors until you get into the gooseneck area. They also insulate their garage to an R40, where the entire coach underneath from the living area is R45. You do have R11 in the sidewalls on this particular coach, 40 insulation in the front cap, 40 in the roof, just as well. Now this one here in the 397, you actually have 2 full baths. So this is kind of nice. So if you do get all muddy after bringing in your toys, you can actually get a shower before heading into your coach.
That is nice to have.
Yes, that's a very nice feature. Our large family, again, you can sleep up to about 10 folks in this particular unit. 3-season doors with the outdoor patio. Once again, 2 drop-down beds with the Happy Jack system. Very easy to use by a touch of a finger.
Very nice.
Come on in, guys. Up here. Go into the bedroom area once again. Short and sweet, back into the master bath with the bench seat. Also using porcelain-based toilets. Coming into the master here, you actually have a king-size bed in this particular unit. Lots of storage. Again, washer dryer prepped only in this closet right behind me. You can actually put a stackable once you remove the shelf.
Oh, very nice.
Or keep it as a closet just as well. Lots of shoe storage. Everybody knows ladies like to carry shoes.
Mm-hmm.
So Easy one touch all the way through.
Nice.
Both coaches are really nice, guys. This just has a ducted system on it versus the Alliance. This has a ducted oval system with some cutouts. Looks like a figure 8, so the air is constantly sharing all the way through the coach, where the Alliance is going to have 3 ACs in each particular area to cool down.
What do they call it? The racetrack systems, what they call it?
This is called the racetrack. That is correct.
Yeah,
on
okay.
this one. Over there is strictly direct air on 3 different sections.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, doesn't share anything. But plywood drawers, once again, guys, well constructed unit. I mean, it's just the quality of materials all the way around. It's hard to beat either one. I mean, they're both #1 sellers out here.
What are they both MSRP for?
They're really similar in both. This one, equipped without the generator, is going to touch the price point around $114.
Okay.
Where that one with the generator right now is touching about $114 just as well.
Gotcha.
So that generator will play, you know, an important part for you. Unfortunately, due to our market today, they're kind of starving for this.
So true. All right, guys. So that's a wrap. So the Grand Design Momentum versus the Alliance Valor, pretty much neck and neck. So hope you guys enjoyed the tour today, and appreciate your help today.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, guys. If you're in the area in Mississippi, in South Haven, come check these guys out. They've got a huge supply, and they've got a great service area too. All right, guys.
Just ask for me. Thank you.
Just ask for Derek. All right, see you guys.
I feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know